Hey guys, today in writing we're talking about opinion writing. We've done this a couple times, but I just want to do a quick review. So our I can statement is I can write an opinion piece using topic sentence, 3 detailed sentences, and a conclusion. That's our I can statement. Let's go. Alright guys, opinion writing is all about backing up your opinion with reasons. You want your audience to have the same opinion as you. You want to convince them that you are right. That is what opinion writing is all about. So, the most important piece in an opinion writing piece is the reasoning. You need to give good, solid reasons. Reasons that will make you convince someone else that your opinion is good and correct. All right? So the reason portion is the most important part of an opinion piece. Okay, so just to review really quick before we write our paragraph, an opinion writing piece needs to have a topic that states your opinion. So it's really simple. The topic, just tell them what you believe. Then give 3 details. That's when you back up your opinion. Convince them to believe you. So back up your opinion with solid reasons. Make sure that they're good reasons. They're not just silly reasons that no one cares about. And then conclusion. That's just restating your opinion. Tell them again what you believe, and then you're done. And Quinn wanted to say hello. Quinn, look, it's you. If he finds himself, he'll be excited, but I don't think he'll find himself. Oh, he did. There he is. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, let's write an opinion piece. All right, so I've written my topic sentence. Christmas is the best holiday. So I'm going to tell you why, and that's my topic sentence. I don't want to say, I think Christmas is the best holiday. You never want to say, I think, because then people are like, are they sure? You want to be sure, you just want to say, it's the best. Or whatever your opinion is, you want to be firm, solid, no room for people to not believe you, okay? And then don't say, and here's why, or I'm going to tell you why now. Just leave it right there. Leave it a simple sentence, okay? Now let's go to the reasons. All right, here are my reasons. I like to use linking words, so I have first, second, and lastly in here. Let's read. First, Christmas decorations make things look magical. No other holiday's decor does that. So if you notice, I gave you my reason, and then I told you why that's special just to Christmas. So that's what you should do in opinion writing. Tell me your reason, then tell me why you told me that, right? Why did you give me that reason? So I have this sentence and then the sentence telling you why. Second, you get presents, which is unique to only Christmas. So I told you my reason. You get presents. That's why Christmas is the best holiday. And then I told you why that matters. It's unique to only Christmas. No other holidays do you get that many presents. And lastly, Christmas has movies just for it. No other holidays have their own movies. So I told you my reasons and I backed them up with details, okay? Now all you need is your conclusion. That's where you're just restating your opinion. Let's do it. So my conclusion was really simple. I'm sure you'll agree that Christmas is best. It's strong, it tells you again what I believe and what this paragraph was about, and it ends it all off. Okay, so let's read the entire paragraph one more time and then you'll go write your own. Christmas is the best holiday. First, Christmas decorations make things look magical. No other holiday's decor does that. Second, you get presents, which is unique to only Christmas. Lastly, Christmas has movies just for it. No other holidays have their own movies. I'm sure you'll agree that Christmas is the best. So I hope you agree with me. I hope I convinced you that Christmas is the best. I think you'll be writing your opinion piece on your favorite fruit. I think that's what I told you to do. Yeah. All right. Go for it. If you need help, again, just skip in this video to where you need the help so you can re-look at it while you're writing. All right. Do your best. I'm excited to read what you have, and I love you all. You are somebody. You were somebody when you came. You'll be a better somebody when you leave.